Hello guys, for today's video guys, repair po tayo ng air cooler. Ang problema dito guys, walang power guys. Ito guys, i-unplug natin guys. I-unplug natin guys. Yan guys, wala siyang power guys. Phone, wala po siya guys. Hindi may ito guys, sa phone niya guys. Kaya pa siya guys, nakita ko na kapag ito at saka yung wiring niya guys. Unplug natin guys. Yan guys, may power na siya guys. Tingnan natin guys, on natin guys. Yan, speed. Ayan na guys, okay na guys. Thank you for watching guys.